Hello and welcome to another episode of Maros Bonsai channel. Those of you who follow my channel for some time may remember this group. I put together this group of maples in spring 23. I put it together accidentally because I had a lot of seedlings planted 2 years ago, and last year in spring when I was separating them from big trays, I ran out of pots. I took this beautiful Škoda pot, and it was originally in a ceramic pot out of necessity because I was running out of decent pots. And this spring I decided that I want to develop this group further, and I made another video about this when I was talking about 4 essential tools.
We let the big parts of this energy infrastructures to grow. We let trees to become as big as possible, leaders to be as long as possible, and they are creating so much energy which is flowing into the trunk that every part of a tree which is accumulating these sugars and energy is contributing to thickening of the lower part of the plant. So it's
which you need for bonsai. You can find the video here. And let's see how the group developed over a period of 6 months since it's sitting in this pot. So you can see all the leaves are gone. All these trees are seedlings from my American friend who mailed it to me many years ago. The trees were left to grow unrestricted whole season. You can see all this growth is the growth which happened during the last 6 months, and I think it contributed quite a lot to thickening of those tiny trees, tiny seedlings. And I'm going to do some basic pruning. I will cut back 2 long parts of the structure to allow more light going into the composition next spring to further develop the ramification. Let's see what we have here. You see the thickest trees, this one, they are really nice. They are holding really firmly. So soon they will be really well merged together, and their nebaris will merge together. Of course, the nebari of every tree needs to be a little bit worked. So this root is out of the level, and this one is too thick, and so the root work will follow in spring. Maybe I will take it out and just work on some roots which are on periphery of a tree. It depends. But for now, it had beautiful color, and it looks like I'm start to think that the seeds of this tree were from some kind of coral bark variety. And it's growing really aggressively, and I really like it. So let's start with really big cuts. But basically I will go around and do the cut. On most places I will go for 1 internode, where it will be possible, maybe even I will shorten even more, and maybe I will leave a few longer branches. So let's start with this one. very quickly. Few cuts here and there. Trunks are short again. I'm satisfied now with this. I just want to, this tree was loose during the summer. I need to pull it more to this side. And this one more here. But I do it sometime later. It's okay. Also this one, maybe more here, more here. Not bad for 15 minutes of work and few cheap seedlings. Maybe in 2 or 3 years it can go into really flat pot and make really nice forest composition, or it could go on really flat stone. Maybe I would like it more on a stone. So tell me in the comment section below, what do you think? Was it worth it to wait and don't cut anything from this group? And if the patience from the toolbox paid off. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.